Hi, I'm Ramya Caparasa from Tax Accounting Adelaide. I just want to explain an oldie but a goodie way of preparing and organising information for your tax agent to do your tax return in Australia is to do it by bank statements. So some people, you may not want to do it by the software or other methods. This is an old way. It's a good way, which is pretty easy to do. So number one, obviously, importantly, is you've got to have your bank statements for the financial period that's involved. If you're not sure about that, just ask the accountant which one he's actually doing. Yeah, so print them out. If you're either getting them in the mail, or you might have to go online and download them and print them out, or order them from the bank if you've lost some. It's important you make sure they're all there for the whole period without any dates missing. That's very important for the accountant to do properly. And then get your biro or pencil out and start writing on them what things are. So here we've got some petrol, so I've written petrol, and that's got GST on it. And maybe go through every line. If it's something obvious like a bank fee, perhaps you don't need to do that. For instance, there's some interest and charges here. Your accountant's going to be smart enough to pick that up, that's what it is. But yeah, home insurance, maybe say that's personal and no GST. The petrol, quids, gifts, maybe explain that's a client material, so, and put whether there's GST on it or not. It's important that if there's money coming in and it's actually not income, that you make that clear to your accountant, or also if there's expenses out and it's to a drawing to your business owner, then you probably need to explain that's a drawing as well. So just having those and giving those to your accountants should be good enough to have them preparing your full year's tax return. As well as that, if it's the first time they've done your tax return, they may need the previous tax return and financials of your business. But so there you go. I hope that's helped you organise your information for your tax agent, and it's an alternative to doing your own bookkeeping and having software. So I hope that helps you prepare that for your accountant. Thank you.